Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharma Studies. In today's video, we are going to cover the most important points of pharmaceutical chemistry for Diploma Pharmacy upcoming exams. This session will help you focus on high-yield topics and frequently asked questions and last-minute revision concepts, which are extremely important from an exam point of view. If you prepare these points thoroughly, you can easily score high marks in your examination. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't miss any important topic. Let's begin. First chapter, Introduction to Pharmaceutical Chemistry. Accuracy, precision and significant figures. Definition is come for 1 marks. And impurities in pharmaceutical, that is source and effect of impurities in pharmaceutical substance is come for 5 marks in long question. And define limit test for 1 mark and give principle and procedure with reaction is also important for chloride, iron and arsenic. Heavy metals and sulfur is also important. Very important is arsenic with apparatus and diagram. It comes for 3 marks. Or 5 marks question also. Next, in second chapter, volumetric analysis. Define volumetric analysis is very important, and acid-base titration is also important, and non-aqueous titration is also important. What is precipitation titration, complex material titration, and redox titration is important for upcoming 3 marks or 5 marks question. Next is gravimetric analysis. Give principle and method is also very important for 3 marks or 5 marks question. Next, in inorganic pharmaceuticals. In inorganic pharmaceutical, define hematinics, gastrointestinal agent, topical agent, dental product and medicinal gases is very important. Give definition and write in question, write pharmaceutical formulation, market preparation, storage condition and uses of any one drug is coming. Is in that ferrous sulfur is very important and ferrous ascorbate is very important. In star mark is antacid. Antacid aluminum hydroxide gel is important. Then sodium bicarbonate is important. Next, in acidifying agent definition is important. Absorbent, protective and catharsis definition is important. Next, in topical agent. In topical agent, the drug is chlorohexidine, silver nitrate, hydrogen peroxide and boric acid is important, and potassium permanganate is also important. Then is dental product. In dental product, sodium fluoride is very important. Star mark is repeated. How many repeated questions are asked in exam? And denture, adhesive and mouthwash is also very important. In medicinal classes, carbon dioxide gas and oxygen, nitrogen oxide, cylinder color, which cylinder color is in storage condition is also very important. Next, in fourth chapter, nomenclature, introduction to nomenclature of organic chemical system with particular reference to heterocyclic compound containing up to 3 rings. In that, various structure is given to identify furan, pyrimidine ring. Various ring is there is to identify in MCQs is very important. Then chapter number 5, drug acting on central nervous system. In drug definition of central nervous system is very important. Any one classification is coming for exam. First is anesthetic, next is sedative and hypnotic, antipsychotic, anticonvulsant and antidepressant. In that, structure is important. Thiopental sodium is very important. Next is diazepam is very important. In that, chloropromazine hydrochloride is very important. Phenobarbital is also very important. Phenolphthalein is important, and valproic acid is also important. Amphitriptyline hydrochloride is important, and fluoxetine is also very important. Next 6 chapters, drugs acting on autonomic nervous system. In that, definition of sympathomimetic agent and sympatholytic agent is very important. Parasympathomimetic and parasympatholytic agent is very important. In sympathomimetic agent, the drug acting on dopamine is very important. Terbutaline and salbutamol is very important. Next is drug is propanol is very important, and atenolol is also important. Next is cholinergic drugs and related drugs. In that, classification of cholinergic drugs and cholinergic blocking agent is very important. In that, atropine drug is very important for give the structure. Then chapter number 7, drug acting on the cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system, in that antiarrhythmic drug is the classification is very important, and antihypertensive drug is also very important for upcoming exam. In that, structure of the phenolphthalein sodium is very important, propanol is very important, captopril is very important, ramapil also very important, quinidine sulfate structure is very important. Next is isoscorbide dinitrate is also very important. In diuretic, next chapter 8, in diuretic, classification of diuretic is very important. In that, furosemide structure is very important. Next is chapter number 9, hypoglycemic agent. In hypoglycemic agent, classification of hypoglycemic agent is come, and metformin structure is very important. Next chapter, 10th chapter, analgesic and anti-inflammatory agent. In analgesic, define analgesic and anti-inflammatory agent, right classification is very important. In that, structure is morphine and aspirin and ibuprofen is and paracetamol is very important for pharmacy exams. Next is anti-infective agent. In anti-infective agent, there are various classes: antifungal, urinary tract anti-infective agent, anti-TB agents, antiviral, anti-malarial, and sulfonamide. In that, very important is anti-TB, antiviral, and anti-malarial, and antifungal is very important classification is for pharmacy exams. Antifungal drugs, in that structure is amphotericin B, black fungus also known as, is very important. Next, ketoconazole structure is very important. Fluconazole structure is important. In next, ciprofloxacin, ofloxacin, storage condition, market preparation is very important. Next is anti-tubercular drugs, isoniazid, ethambutol, and rifampicin structure is very important. Antiviral drugs, acyclovir structure is very important, and zidovudine is given for pregnant women. Next is anti-malarial. In anti-malarial, quinine sulfate, chloroquine sulfate is very important. Mefloquine is also important. Sulfonamide, in sulfonamide, dapsone is very important. Cotrimazole is very important. Next in antibiotic is define antibiotic is repeated question. Define antibiotic. Classification of antibiotic is very important. In classification, and structure is amoxicillin is very important, and azithromycin and penicillin G is very important. Chloramphenicol is very important. And next chapter, 13th chapter, anti-neoplastic agent. In anti-neoplastic agent, define and classification of anti-neoplastic agent is very important for 5 marks. In that, fluoxetine is a very important drug. Okay. This covers the important points for upcoming diploma pharmacy exam. Thanks for watching.